Day 17. That's when I saw it. The thing that made me realize 100 swings daily wasn't just exercise, it was transformation. I looked in the mirror and couldn't believe what I was seeing. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me start at the beginning. 5 amazing benefits of doing 100 kettlebell swings a day. Sounds simple, sounds too good to be true. But what if I told you that 100 daily swings changes 5 specific things in your body? Things you can see, things you can measure, things that happen whether you believe in them or not. And what if I told you benefit number 3 is so powerful, it reverses 10 years of aging? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the next 11 minutes, I'm going to reveal 5 benefits that happen when you commit to 100 swings daily. But here's the catch. They don't all happen at once. Each benefit appears at a different time. And if you quit too early, you'll miss the most powerful ones. I'm going to show you exactly when each benefit kicks in, what it feels like, what it looks like, and why it happens. But first, you need to understand why 100 swings is the magic number. Because 99 isn't enough, and 101 is too many. Stay with me. This is going to change everything. Let's get into it. Why 100 swings? The science behind the number. Most people think 100 is arbitrary. Round number. Sounds good. But there's actual science here. 100 swings takes approximately 4 to 5 minutes to complete. This is the threshold where multiple systems activate simultaneously. Your cardiovascular system hits the zone. 4 to 5 minutes of continuous explosive work elevates your heart rate to 75 to 85% of maximum. This is the sweet spot for cardiovascular adaptation. Less time doesn't reach the threshold. More time creates excessive fatigue. Your muscular endurance gets challenged. Around rep 60 to 70, your glutes start burning. Lactic acid accumulates. Your body must adapt. This is where strength endurance develops. 50 swings doesn't create this stimulus. 100 does. Your mental toughness gets tested. By rep 80, your mind wants to quit. Your body says stop. But you have 20 more. Pushing through this barrier daily builds unshakable mental resilience. This matters more than most people realize. But here's what nobody tells you. The benefits don't all appear at once. They come in waves. Each week brings something new. And if you don't know what to expect, you'll quit before the magic happens. Let me show you the timeline. Benefit 1, the posture transformation, days 5 through 12. This is the first benefit you'll notice, and it happens fast, faster than you expect. Between day 5 and day 12, your posture will change dramatically. Here's why. 100 swings daily means 700 swings weekly. That's 700 explosive hip extensions. Every single rep trains your glutes to fire properly. Your glutes are responsible for pulling your pelvis into proper alignment. When they're weak or dormant, your pelvis tilts forward. This creates lower back arch, rounded shoulders, forward head posture, the classic office worker slump. But 700 weekly hip extensions wake your glutes up, violently. They remember their job. They start firing automatically, not just during swings, all day long. Your pelvis rotates back to neutral. Your spine stacks properly. Your shoulders pull back naturally. Here's what this looks like. Day 1. Take a photo of yourself standing naturally. Side view. Notice your posture. Day 12. Take another photo. Same position. Compare them. The difference will shock you. You're standing 2 inches taller. Your shoulders are back. Your head is aligned over your spine. This happens to everyone. But posture is just the beginning. The visual change is impressive. But what's happening inside your body is even more powerful. And that brings us to benefit 2. Benefit 2. The metabolic upgrade. Days 10 through 21. This benefit is invisible. You can't see it. But you can feel it. And you can measure it. Between day 10 and day 21, your metabolism fundamentally changes. Here's the science. Ballistic training like swings creates what researchers call mitochondrial biogenesis. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells. They produce energy. More mitochondria means more energy production, better fat burning. Enhanced endurance. Your body literally becomes a more efficient machine. 100 daily swings triggers massive mitochondrial growth. Research shows that high-intensity, short-duration training increases mitochondrial density by 15 to 25% in just 3 weeks. This is exactly what 100 daily swings provides. Here's what this feels like. Around day 10, you'll notice something strange. You wake up with more energy, not from better sleep, not from caffeine, from upgraded cellular machinery. By day 15, you realize you're not getting that afternoon crash anymore. Your energy is stable all day. By day 21, you can do things that used to exhaust you without fatigue. Playing with kids, climbing stairs, yard work, everything feels easier. This is your metabolic upgrade in action. But here's the crazy part. This benefit compounds. The longer you continue, the more efficient you become. Which leads perfectly into benefit 3. The benefit that reverses aging. Benefit 3, the cellular age reversal. Days 18 through 35. This is the benefit I mentioned at the start. The one that reverses 10 years of aging. It sounds impossible. But the science is clear, and the results are measurable. Between day 18 and day 35, something remarkable happens at the cellular level. Your telomeres start behaving differently. Telomeres are the protective caps on your chromosomes. They shorten as you age. Shorter telomeres equal biological aging. Exercise, specifically high-intensity interval training, has been shown to slow telomere shortening. Some studies even show reversal. 100 daily swings is HIIT. High-intensity interval training, 4 to 5 minutes of explosive work. This triggers the exact mechanisms that protect telomeres. One study found that people who did HIIT 3 times weekly had telomeres that looked 9 years younger than sedentary people. You're doing it 7 times weekly. The effect is even stronger. But you can't measure telomeres at home. So how do you know it's working? Here's what you'll notice. Your skin looks better, more elastic, fewer lines. People will comment that you look younger. Your recovery gets faster, soreness disappears quicker, sleep quality improves, your energy feels youthful. That spring in your step returns, the one you had at 25. This is cellular age reversal. It's real, it's measurable, and 100 daily swings triggers it. But we're only 3 benefits in. The next one is where body composition transforms. Benefit 4, the body recomposition effect, days 25 through 50. This is what everyone wants. Visible physique change, less fat, more muscle, definition, and it happens predictably between day 25 and 50. Here's why. By day 25, you've done 2,500 swings. That's massive volume on your posterior chain. Your glutes are growing, your hamstrings are developing, your lower back is strengthening. Simultaneously, the metabolic effect is burning fat. The combination creates body recomposition. You're building muscle and losing fat at the same time. This is the holy grail of fitness. But here's what makes swings special. The fat loss is targeted. Research shows that exercises targeting specific areas can preferentially reduce fat in those regions through a process called spot reduction. It's controversial, but the evidence is mounting. 100 daily swings hammer your posterior chain and core. The result? Fat preferentially comes off your midsection and lower back first. Your glutes get bigger, your waist gets smaller. The visual effect is dramatic. Here's what the timeline looks like. Day 25, your pants fit differently, tighter in the seat, looser in the waist. Day 35, people start commenting. Have you lost weight? You look different. Day 45, you can see muscle definition you've never had before. Your glutes are visible. Your hamstrings have separation. Your lower back has that Christmas tree shape. Day 50, complete body recomposition. You've lost fat, gained muscle, and look completely different. But the physical changes aren't the most important benefit. The final benefit is the one that changes your life, not just your body. Benefit 5, the confidence cascade, days 30 through forever. This benefit is psychological, but it creates physical results. Between day 30 and forever, something shifts in your identity. You stop being someone who tries to exercise. You become someone who does. This identity shift is everything. Here's how it happens. Day 1 through 10, swings are a challenge. You're building the habit, fighting resistance. Day 11 through 20, swings become routine. Part of your day, like brushing teeth. Day 21 through 30, swings become identity. You're a person who swings. This isn't what you do. It's who you are. This identity shift triggers a cascade. You're a person who swings daily. So you start making other aligned choices. You eat slightly better, not because you're dieting, because people who train daily eat better. You sleep more, because athletes prioritize recovery. You move more throughout the day, because active people stay active. Research calls this identity-based behavior change. It's the most powerful form of habit formation, and 100 daily swings creates it perfectly. The commitment is significant enough to matter, but simple enough to maintain. Here's what this looks like in real life. By day 30, you've missed 0 days. This builds confidence. You told yourself you'd do something, and you did it, every single day. That confidence spills over. You start tackling other challenges. Work projects, relationship issues, personal goals. The discipline from daily swings proves you can do hard things. By day 60, people notice your entire demeanor is different. You carry yourself differently, speak more confidently, take up more space. This isn't arrogance, it's earned confidence. You've proven to yourself that you can commit. You can follow through, you can transform. This benefit never stops growing. The longer you maintain the practice, the stronger your identity becomes. This is why people who start 100 daily swings often continue for years. It's not about the exercise anymore, it's about who they've become. Now let me show you the exact protocol that makes this work. The 100 swing protocol that guarantees all 5 benefits. Here's the structure, every single day. No exceptions, 100 swings. Break them however you need. Option 1, 10 sets of 10. Swing 10 reps, rest 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat 10 times. This is most manageable for beginners. Option 2, 5 sets of 20. Swing 20 reps, rest 60 to 90 seconds. Repeat 5 times. This is the middle ground. Option 3, 2 sets of 50. Swing 50 reps, rest 2 minutes. Swing 50 more. This is advanced, high work capacity required. Option 4, 100 straight, no rest. 4 to 5 minutes of continuous swinging. This is elite level. Don't attempt until you've done option 1 for weeks. Start with option 1. Progress through the options over months. Eventually, you'll reach 100 continuous swings. When you can do that, you've achieved something remarkable. The weight matters. For men, 24 to 32 kilograms typically. For women, 16 to 20 kilograms. The bell should feel challenging by rep 50, but you should complete all 100 with good form. Too light builds endurance but not strength. Too heavy compromises form and creates injury risk. Find the sweet spot. The timing matters. Same time daily is ideal. Morning is best. It charges your nervous system, sets the tone for your day, creates morning momentum. But any consistent time works. The key is consistency, not perfection. The one mistake that kills all 5 benefits. Here's what stops most people. They miss a day. Then they think, I broke the streak, might as well quit. This is the mistake. Missing one day doesn't erase progress. It doesn't reset your benefits. Your mitochondria don't disappear. Your glutes don't shrink overnight. Your identity doesn't vanish. If you miss a day, do 100 swings the next day. Continue. Don't quit because of one missed day. The benefits come from consistency over time, not perfection. 80% adherence over 3 months beats 100% adherence for 3 weeks, then quitting. Life happens. You'll miss days, travel, sickness, emergencies. That's fine. What matters is getting back to it. Immediately. No guilt, no shame. Just resume. This mindset keeps people going for years. Perfectionism kills streaks. Flexibility sustains them. Now here's your challenge. The 100 swing challenge. Prove it to yourself. Here's what I want you to do. Commit to 50 days. Not 30. 50. Why 50? Because benefit 4, body recomposition, peaks around day 50. If you quit at 30, you'll miss the most visible benefit. 50 days ensures you experience all 5 benefits. Track your progress. Take photos on day 1, day 25, and day 50. Measure your waist. Test your resting heart rate. Document how you feel, energy, mood, confidence. Write it down. 50 days from now, compare. The transformation will be undeniable. If you're accepting this challenge, drop a comment saying 100 daily. Let's build a community of people who understand that transformation doesn't require complexity. It requires commitment. And if you want perfect swing technique, troubleshooting guides, and advanced protocols, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because we're proving that simple, consistent action beats complicated, sporadic effort every time. 5 amazing benefits of doing 100 kettlebell swings a day. Posture transformation, metabolic upgrade, cellular age reversal, body recomposition, confidence cascade. Each one appears at a specific time. Each one compounds. Each one transforms not just your body, but your life. The question isn't whether 100 daily swings work. The question is, are you willing to commit for 50 days to find out? I already know the answer you'll discover, because I've lived it, and thousands of others have too. Now it's your turn. I'll see you in the next video. Now go grab your kettlebell, 100 swings are waiting, and 5 incredible benefits are about to change everything.